Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to create a Unity WebGL build and how to host it on web server. So this is the Unity project which I have created. I downloaded it from one store and I did some changes on this. And first I'll show you some settings for WebGL build. So for WebGL build, first we have to port it in WebGL and keep all the things by default. And if we go to player settings, then here we can change default company name and product name and this version, product version. And this we don't have to change anything. And here we can, if we want Unity logo and these all things, then we will use this default. Else if we don't need Unity things, then if you are launching it from other script like Node.js or React, sorry, and JavaScript or through some other scripting language, from there if you want to launch it, then we will use Minify, else we will use it default. So I will use default because I'm directly launching it from Unity side. This will be splash screen option, and here this is the thing which we have to change because it show warning message for Unity WebGL build. So in other platform it will be linear, but for WebGL it should be gamma because WebGL don't support other thing linear. And if we check something like orthographic API, this also we have to disable, and we have to use WebGL 2 because WebGL 1 is deprecated. So this setting we have to do. Other than this, nothing we have to change. Then we will go here, and here there are some options. If your server use compressed build, then you don't have to compress it. If it is not compressing, use compression by default, then you have to do this compression. So I'm not doing any compression, I'm keeping it disabled compression, and other settings I'm keeping as it is. So I will create one build. So this folder, it will whatever name you will give here, that folder should be here. If it's not there, then you can create. So I have this folder name, I have this folder, so I will start creating and it will start WebGL build creation. So I will host it in local server and I'll show you how to run it. So I will open XAMPP. This is the use for hosting anything on localhost. So you can download it, XAMPP server, you can install it in some specific location, and here is our WebGL build created. Inside that you can see it create 3 folder. If you use that Unity logos and everything, if you use that minimal, then it will only create this build file and this index file. And this is template data. It will use whenever you run Unity WebGL build, these images will be loaded there. You can change it, like I will tell you how to change this. If you want some company logo, anything, then you just better if you use same dimension like this logo. If you use, see, its resolution will be here. Its resolution should be here. I mean, so whatever resolution is there, that same you can replace with same name, then Unity will automatically take that. Like this, I think something will be there in resolution settings. So like this, 141 cross 18. So if you want some customized loading bar, so you can create your own image with same name and just replace here. Even all things you can replace, just change any image with same resolution and same name, then Unity will automatically pick from here. So this is the web server which I'm talking. This is XAMPP server. You can install in your system. It will automatically install in a specific location. You can give location also where you want to install. I install it in some specific location other than programs file. Then for running Unity build, you just have to start this Apache server. Just start it. After that, you have to go here, just copy this whole folder, this inside where build is created, copy this, and I have to paste it here. Web install, I installed it here. It's a separate folder, XAMPP folder. Inside this htdoc, and here you can paste your build, this copy, and you can install it anywhere. You can just search localhost slash whatever build folder, outer build folder, your name, just like written here. I'll just make enter. It will start loading, and here it is loaded. So it is loaded now successfully. So you can see you just have to write localhost slash that folder name which your build is there inside that. So if you do this, it will start running in your local server. Same thing if you want to upload it in web server, in web hosting, if you have inside that also you can upload it. And these are the options which I was talking. You can customize these images, and here make it zoom full screen. So this was the tutorial about Unity WebGL build, how to create WebGL build and how to upload it on server. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like.